Today I will be working on this Hamilton Beach iron. Alright, these are the specs: 120 volt, 60 hertz, 1200 watt. Alright, you can see the series number. What happened is that the person told me that there's some spark coming from here. Right, as you can see, I already hook up the meter. Like, I turn on the buzzer sound. If you notice, nothing. Right, so there's definitely a problem. So I'm going to further into the iron and see what is the problem. Alright, so I'm going to check from this leg, come back. Right, alright, can I read? Alright, so basically I'm getting reading on both legs of, right? That not supposed to happen. Right, check the other side. Well, I put the clip, the clip was right here, so now I put it on this leg. So try again. Alright, put it on another leg, getting a reading. That doesn't look good. Alright, so even though I check from these both ends and come here, I'm getting reading on both legs. So now I'm going to disconnect these wires, and then test it individually from turning the thermostat and see. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the clip on this blue wire. This is the bulb leg, right? So I don't need to put it on this. So it's on this, and then alright, still getting a reading. Alright, and if I turn it now, nothing. Alright, so the problem lies further down in the iron. But if I notice right here, you can see the wire was under some stress. Alright, because the person told me that they see some fire came from the top of here. So this is one indication. Alright, so I'm going further down into the iron to see. So in order to pull this iron, I would have to remove this, pull these screws, and pull the screw that's screwed on both sides right here. Alright, so now I'm able to lift off the iron completely. Alright, to remove this section, I need to pull this screw, this one, and this one right here. Alright, so I'm going to do that and let you see afterwards. Alright, so now I'm going to check the fuse. Right, as you can see, this is where the fuse lies. Alright, so one leg come here, which I'm going to take the clip, put it there. Alright, the other side of the fuse. Alright, the fuse is good. Now I'm going to check the element. Alright, so clip it here, and this blue leg that goes, that's that side here. Good. Alright, now I'm gonna check the thermostat. Still can check it from here. Alright. Still getting. So the problem is the thermostat. I'm going to show you. You see it? Right down there, it is fuse damage. Fuse damage burnout. So I'm going to see if I have any replacement for this. If not, after this have to be thrown away, right? But some of these are useful, like if the fuse and the element, the base, right? So I'm going to check to see if I have any replacement from another iron that can put into this. Alright, so I found this. So what I'm going to do now, if you notice, this is a 250 volts 10 amp T230, right? And if you look here, it's a 250 volt 10 amp T250, and this one is a T230. So I will be using this, transfer this thermostat to this and remove this bad one. But before I do that, I'm going to test it and show you. Alright, so the meter is that. Put one lead here. Alright. Put the other one there. Alright. Notice it. Thermostat working. So now I'm going to remove this and transfer it to there. But the issue is this. So modification would have to be done. The fact that these are screwed, these points have screws in them, while this doesn't have any, right? So I would have to remove this and then use these and connect the wires, right? So you're going to see that in a bit. Alright, let's see, remove. This is how it looks. Alright, close up. Alright, and this one will be going right here, which it fit perfect, right? Alright, so I'm going to install it and let you see. Alright, so it installed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this, right? I'm going to unscrew this and this, and what I'm going to do, I will be using these, right? So what will be happening is this, these two, the fuse leg and the leg that come from the bulb, this will be on it, right? This will clip on and hold on. Right, once I clip this onto this, this will be right here. Alright, same goes for this side. So I'm going to do that in a bit and let you see. Alright, as you can see, the connection was made. Alright, alright, and this is the bulb leg. So now I am going to clip that on. Alright, that out of the way. Alright, look at the meter now. Alright, see that? Alright, new one replaced, and this was a defective one. Alright, so now I'm going to fit it up and test it. Alright, so to accommodate the new installation, right, I'd have to file down these two ends with a file, right? So I have to file down these sides in order for this to fit. So what I'm going to do, after installing, I'm going to put some silicone to fill the gap, right? So I'm going to let you see. As you can see, both sides has been silicone. Alright, going to fit it up now. Right, this is the complete. Now it's connect. Alright, alright, alright. So now I'm going to plug it in and show you. Alright, it has turned on, plugged in. So right, it's not as it because I do turn it on as it. Alright, hear the clicking sound. Alright, now it's going to heat up. Alright, now it's hot. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, alright, for more content like this.